Hey guys, so you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Okemuti Fole, your one and only tech savvy. So today's video I'm going to take you through how to navigate around the Canva website. Okay, so in subsequent videos I'm going to be teaching you how to use Canva to make awesome designs. Okay, so it could be that for your social media posts, for your personal branding. How to utilize Canva is all you're going to be seeing henceforth on this channel. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are my returning subscriber, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. All right, so let's get down to today's business. So this is the Canva website, www.canva.com, and as you can see here, I'm logged into my account. So if you don't have an account with Canva, please go and create an account. All you need is your email and password. So as simple as that. Okay, you don't need any other thing apart from email and password. So once you create an account, you're logged in. This is how the Canva interface looks like. Okay, so let me show you how to go through Canva and complete. So some of the things you need to understand as a newbie, or you're a beginner, you're intermediate, and even as an advanced person. Trust me, Canva has improved a lot with a lot of features that you will need to watch these videos to the end so you understand some of the things you're going to see on this new interface. Alright, so here is the home button, as you can see here. So once you click on the home, it's going to show you everything that has to be on Canva here. Then you have your project. These are works that you have done before. So for someone like me who has been working on Canva for a very long time, on my project you're going to see a lot of works that I have done before now. I have a lot of them, a lot of work I've done before now. So on that project you get to also see other folders like purchase. If I have bought anything on Canva, any particular project that I've started or I've marked as my favorite, I'm going to see them here. And then my upload. This upload has to do with your videos, your images, your songs, whatever it is you want to use in your design that you have uploaded to Canva. You're going to see them all here in this Canva upload. So if I click on this particular folder, I'm going to see all the uploads I have made here. And trust me, I have made a lot of uploads on this particular folder because I design a lot. So most of my designs are done with Canva, especially my social media posts. I make them with Canva. So trust me, I use Canva almost all the time. Alright, so you get to see all these particular posts you're seeing here. So there's a lot of things you can actually do with Canva if you know how to move around Canva. Okay, Canva is a very sweet tool that if you know how to navigate around it, trust me, you will make amazing designs. All right, so that is for your project. So then we have templates. This template has to do with works that people have done before now, that all you need to do to use them is just by clicking on them, edit them, change the colors, change the fonts, change the images, and you're good to go. So that's how the template actually works. All right, so I'll just head back. I'll head back now so you get to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you see some of the templates is actually loading very slowly. So I just head back so you get to see some other features that I would love you to really see before I turn off this video. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and all my returning subscribers, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on the channel. All right, so this is Canva. Now we also have other folder here which says shared with you. This has to do with files, designs, documents that someone has shared with you before now that you actually had access to. Okay, so this is where you see all of them. So then we have the trash bin. This trash bin has to do with things that you have actually deleted from your Canva dashboard that you don't want to make use of. You deleted them, they will all be showing in your trash, just in case you want to recover or retrieve them back to your work area. they will all be in the trash bin. So you really want to delete them permanently, just in case you don't need them again. All right, then we'll have the team option. This has to do with, let's assume 5 persons are working on a particular project. Creating a team makes it possible for the 5 of us to be working on that project at the same time. That is the essence of the team. Okay, and then you can also invite members to your team by using the invite button you're seeing here. You can see here, you can use that invite button. Okay, then we have other tools like discover app. So these tools has to do with there are a lot of tools you're going to get access to when you are working. Even on the free version of Canva, you get to see tools like drop shadow, you get to see tools like mockups, you get to see tools like pixels and the rest of them. They are all under the tools bar. Okay, so as you get to work on Canva, you get to see how this amazing site or application actually works. All right, so if you watch this video to this end, please click on this video you're seeing on your screen right now to watch more videos on Canva. So see you